Complete Care with nationwide vehicle contracts. Complete Care is a unique vehicle solution which offers everything you need in one package. All you need to add is the driver and the fuel. For a fixed monthly rental, you can lease a fully insured lease vehicle with a range of services including third-party liability cover including fire and theft, own damage protection, glass protection, maintenance, breakdown assistance, and accident management. Complete Care is the ideal lease solution for drivers who do not want the hassle of shopping around for vehicle insurance, maintenance and servicing, total loss shortfall protection, and breakdown cover. By delivering a package of services, Complete Care offers a complete and hassle-free solution which saves you both time and money. Cover starts on the day of delivery and continues right through to the collection of the vehicle. What's more, thanks to fixed monthly rentals, you'll know exactly what your monthly payments will be, helping you to budget and manage your cash flow more easily. Complete Care is available to drivers aged between 21 to 70 who hold a full UK or EU driving licence which has been valid for at least 1 year, have no more than 6 points on their driving licence, have no more than 2 at-fault claims in the last 2 years, have not been advised to stop driving by the DVLA or a medical practitioner due to medical conditions. To find out more about Complete Care, call Nationwide Vehicle Contracts on 0345 811 9595 or visit nationwidevehiclecontracts.co.uk.